This oxtail recipe is a must try. It smells good, it tastes good, it's the best. Hey everyone, in this video I'm about to make some stewed oxtails. So I got some oxtails here that I bought from Costco. These oxtails are a little big, they're like really big cuts, so they're gonna take a little while to cook. So I'm just gonna take these oxtail out of the package and I'm going to wash them twice, and then the third time I'm gonna wash it with lemon. I'm going to take the lemon and just rub it in and just get it all nice and clean. Then I'm going to rinse it one more time, and then I'm going to start seasoning them. So for my seasoning, I started off with some garlic powder, some Montreal steak seasoning, that's a beef seasoning. Then I'm going to add in some pepper flakes, that is optional. Black pepper, onion powder, some Cajun seasoning, and some of my green seasoning. I have this recipe in the description. This is on my channel, so you can get that recipe. And I added in some hot sauce or pepper sauce. And now I'm going to just mix this up and then add in some sea salt. Once I'm done mixing this in really well, I'm going to cover with a plastic and refrigerate overnight. So right here I have my oxtails, my seasoned oxtails that I marinated overnight. Now you can do this overnight, or you can do it like maybe up to 2 hours, because you want the seasoning to soak in. You want it to taste really, get that seasoning all the way through the meat. So I suggest doing it like overnight. So I'm going to be adding all these veggies here to the pot. So I'm going to be adding in some carrots, some bell peppers, pimento peppers, habanero peppers, some tomatoes, some cilantro or bandania, some bay leaves, onions, and some garlic. So I'm going to be adding that, and I also gonna add in some worchershire sauce. Right now you can add this in probably not probably, you can add this in when you marinating it. I just like doing it at this point, but you can do this while you're marinating it if that's better for you. So I'm just gonna mix that in, and I'm gonna start cooking. I can't wait to taste these oxtails. Oxtails are so delicious. You can eat it with rice. I like it with like rice and peas. That's pretty good with it. So I added some brown sugar to my hot pot, and I'm just gonna let this melt and kind of caramelize. And after that stage, you'll see it start bubbling and getting really dark. Once it gets to that really dark stage, you know that your sugar is browned properly. So I'm just going to give it a mix just to ensure that all the sugar crystals got melted evenly, and then I'm going to add in my oxtails. So at this stage is perfect. So I'm going to add in the oxtails, and I'm going to fry that up in there. Make sure that all the oxtails got evenly coated, and I'm going to leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes has passed, I'm going to start adding in the carrots, the peppers, the onions, the garlic, just the harder vegetables. I'm going to leave back the others, the tomatoes and the cilantro and also the bay leaf. I'll put those in afterward. So I'm going to just mix all of this up, and I'm going to let this cook for another 5 minutes. I'm going to cover the pot and just let it cook down for about 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes have passed, I'm going to add in all the other ingredients. And then I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Now, this is fresh coconut milk that I have. You can use the canned coconut milk. It's easy. For me, I bought a whole coconut and I just dug it out of the shell, and I blended it, added some water, and squeezed out the milk in a strainer. It's a lot easier. As I said, with the can, it's the same taste. For me, I like the fresh. I feel like it's a lot fresher, but you can do whatever is easy for you. So I'm just going to submerge these oxtails in water because this has to boil and cook for a very long time. So I'm putting enough water to cover them. I used up all the leftover marinade from the bowl, and I'm just going to cover this and let it cook down. This was boiling for about an hour and it's still hard, so I'm going to continue on cooking it. This actually cooked for about 3 hours. I like my oxtails falling off the bone. So now I'm going to add in some ketchup. Taste and adjust the salt. The salt is the taste, so just taste it and see what works for you. So now my oxtail is done. Here is my finished oxtail. It looks so delicious. It smells so good. I mean, the whole place just smells like this oxtail. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I made this with some rice and peas, as the Jamaicans call it, and it was really, really good. So please comment and let me know if you try this recipe. I think that you're really going to enjoy it. So always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. Bye.